In our last video, we talked about tags, HTML tags. Let me show you an example to understand better. Now let me show you the changes. As you can see, text style changed. Text is now bold, right? This is because of bold tag. And this is called bold tag. We have bunch of tags in HTML, which will help us to create web page in a good way. So HTML tag will contain all other HTML elements inside it. That's why every HTML page start with HTML tag like this. Okay, let me show you an example. If I inspect this web page, as you can see, this web page also start with HTML tag, right? Can you see something? It changed, right? Now it shows our web page. And this is because of this title tag. If you remove it, then it will change, right? So to change the title, you have to use title tag. So this is how these tags helps to create a beautiful website. Every tag has its opening and closing part. As you can see, our title tag have a ending part, right? And we have to write every tags like this way. It should be an opening part and also a closing part. And inside this tag, we can write whatever we want to write. See, it changed, right? So this is how you can use tags in HTML. But very few of them don't have closing tags, like BR. Let me show you an example. Let's say we want to write welcome developers. If you refresh the page, then you can see they're in the same line, right? So we want this sentence in the next line. To do this, we have to use here a tag called BR. It means break. So it will break here and take the sentence into the next line. Now refresh the website. As you can see, it is in the next line, right? But this BR tag doesn't have any end part, right? As I mentioned earlier, very few of them don't have closing tags, right? What do you think? Is it a rocket science? I don't think so. So if you find this helpful, make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel. And we will learn about more tags in next video. Till then, goodbye.